How to free up space on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to free up space on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, tap on profile. Now you see those three bond up there, tap. Now tap on setting and privacy, keep search until you find free up space, tap. Clear your cache to free up space. This won't affect your TikTok experience. Then clear. Then you have downloads. Now you have downloads, your filter, stickers, gift, and everything in your app. You'll be able to download them again if you need them. So clear. Now you did free up space on your TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.